This tutorial is for 5th grade, Module 5, Lesson 19. In this lesson, we're going to continue to look at the shape called the rhombus, and especially how it relates to a shape called a kite. The directions say draw the figures in each box with the attributes listed. If your figure has more than one name, write it in the box. So the first box says we are to draw a rhombus with 2 right angles. So as a reminder, a rhombus is a shape that has 4 equal sides. So I need to draw a rhombus, and I need to make sure that it has at least 2 right angles. So I'm going to draw my shape. I'm going to make all 4 sides the same length, and you can see that I have at least 2 right angles. In fact, I have 4 right angles. So I have 4 sides that are the same length and 4 right angles. I can also give this shape another name. I can call it a square. So a square is the same thing as a rhombus because it has 4 equal sides. What makes it special is it has 4 right angles as well. Moving over to the next box, we're to draw a kite with all sides equal. Now the kite is a shape that could look like this. A kite is 4-sided, and the adjacent sides, or the sides that are right next to each other, like this side and this side, are the same length. And on the bottom part, this side and this side have to be the same length. So there's one example of a kite. But the directions say to draw our kite so all sides are equal. So we'll do the same thing, only we'll draw it so all 4 sides are the same length. So the adjacent sides here are equal. These adjacent sides are equal, but the difference is all 4 sides are the same length. Because all 4 sides are the same length, we can also call this shape a rhombus. Since a rhombus has 4 sides, all of the same length. The next section says to draw a kite with 4 right angles. So I start off drawing one right angle. Try to make that a right angle. And then I'll continue this one down, making that a right angle. And we'll do the last here. So all 4 angles are right angles. The reason it's a kite is because the adjacent sides are the same length. Now because I had to make the 4 right angles, this forced all 4 sides to also be the same length. So I have adjacent sides being the same length on top and bottom. And in all 4 sides are also the same length. So we could give this shape another name. We could call it a square because it's a 4-sided shape. All 4 sides are equal and all 4 sides are right angles. In the last box, the directions say to draw a kite with 2 pairs of adjacent sides equal. The pairs are not equal to each other. So this is more similar to the first example I gave for what a kite is. So a kite has adjacent sides that are the same length. The other 2 sides also have to be the same length. So these 2 sides are equal. But as the directions say, the 2 pairs are not equal to each other. So we have 2 sides that are the same length on top and 2 sides that are the same length on bottom. The only other name for this shape other than a kite would be a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides.